YouTube, what's up? It's me again, Nomad Gamer. Today I decided to upload a video on how I rebuild my Phoenix rebuildable atomizers. Okay, let me get started. I'll try to make this as quick as possible. Okay, so this is my Ego and the Phoenix atomizer. I'll just take it off. Take off top cap. Okay, here it is. I already removed the wick and the coil. I just cleaned it. I just cleaned the inside with some tissue paper. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the cantle wire. There you go. I usually use this much. I'll cut it off with some nail clippers. Okay. Now I'll find the first hole on the atomizer. I usually start from my left. Okay. So I'm holding, I'm pushing this part down, hold it in place, and then I tighten the screw like so. Now this is how I start. Now getting some silica wick. This much. Go. Then with my thumb I hold it against the atomizer, then carefully start wrapping the wick around the coil around the wick. Four times, like so. Okay, now just to make it tighter, I use the tweezers and just pull a little there. Okay, now I place the wick and the coil in between the two screws or terminals there. So, and with the other end of the cantle wire, I grab it with my tweezers, I bend it a little, and then find the hole. There you go. So I will just pull it all the way, and then hope you can see it. There you go. Then I press this part down, and tighten second screw. Oops. Okay, so this is pretty tight. Don't worry if the wick moves while you tighten the screws. That's normal. You can always adjust it like so. And be careful that your wire isn't touching any of these screws. So it should be placed in the middle. It's very important because for you to avoid any short circuit. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna fine tune it a little bit. Pull it up, push it up, then adjust the distance between each wrap. One fellow YouTuber commented that you should take your time when doing this. I totally agree with it. Don't be in a hurry. Adjust everything to your liking. Okay, now if you're satisfied with all the adjustments, it should look like this. So you can see the wick on each side is too long. It won't fit into the drip well. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting the excess. Then with the tweezers, I gently tuck it into the drip well. There. Okay. Now you do the same thing with this side. Careful. Okay. A little bit more adjusting. Perfect. Okay. See, this is how it looks. Sorry, I don't have autofocus. I don't know what's wrong. I hope you can see everything. So now, these extra ends of canthe wire, you need to cut them. Some people, they like to twist it until it breaks off, but I prefer cutting it. Just cut it very close, but leave a little bit extra. Okay, do the same thing with this side. Okay. Now let's see if it fires. Cool. Okay, so it works. Yay. For this demo, I'm using Holy Smokes Chiclets grape flavor. Just put 4 or 5 drops on each side. Oh, okay, oops. Sorry. go. So you can see it already started wicking. So it looks nice. So just test it again. Wow, perfect. Okay. Don't you hate it when you have juice on your hands? So sticky. Okay. Now put the cap back on. And let me just show you how it vapes. Good flavor, good vapor production, obviously. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you could learn from this video. If you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them below. So again, thanks for watching. Nomad Gamer signing off. Stop smoking, keep on vaping.